Without forensic science, the truth behind some of the most heinous crimes would remain just a mystery. Or so you'd think. Tonight, we'll tell you how forensic labs work to shade or hide the truth, how reports can be fudged, crucial cogs in the wheels of justice confess how they have faked reports themselves to influence cases. We picked up 2 drugs-related cases at random in Uttar Pradesh. We did not know the accused, but we approached the FSL. See for yourself how they are willing to doctor reports for a price. Our intention is neither to help the accused nor to encourage corruption. It is only to expose the rot. Pandit Ayush Garg from Headlines Today, Special Investigation Team with this national exclusive.
This is the Forensic Science Lab, Lucknow, and its job is to provide scientific reports on evidence in criminal cases. But now we have proof that scientific reports can be tweaked if the price is right. We gathered evidence in a real case where the police had booked someone and had found incriminating evidence on his person. The Lucknow police booked Mahesh Kumar Rawat on the 13th of June 2010 under the NDPS Act with 200 grams of smack. Headlines Today's undercover reporter approached the forensic lab with Rawat's case. The idea was to capture the modus operandi of how evidence is tampered with. We first met Om Prakash, the lab assistant at FSL Lucknow. Lab assistant Om Prakash explained to us how the system works and what process is followed in determining bail in such cases. A crash course in fudging reports.
परसेंटेज होती तो लोअर से इसकी बेल हो जाती है तब हाईकोर्ट आपको नहीं देता इतना हम लोग यहाँ से निकला देंगे तो आपकी जमीन लोअर कोर्ट से ही हो जाएगी यहाँ से बाजू में आपका 18-20 ग्राम चला गया यानी 8% यहाँ से मिलेगा तो ये आपकी लोअर कोर्ट से हो जाएगी जब 25 के ऊपर जाती है परसेंटेज तो आपकी हाईकोर्ट से
We have learned that jail or bail of an accused depends on the quantity and quality of the narcotic substance recovered by the police. And it is the Forensic Science Lab which gives the final report on the quantity and quality. But the price has to be right. We asked Om Prakash to fix up a meeting with some senior official so that we could do the deal. कि सिस्टम क्या रहता है यहाँ पे मतलब ये है कि कोई अधिकारी पैसा नहीं लेता है हमें उसे देना भी नहीं पैसा हम आके मार्केट चले जाएंगे दूसरी बात मेरी ये है कि एक मौजूद आदमी से अगर आप मेरी बात करा देते हैं वो मौजूद आदमी से ही मेरी बात हो गई इनका आप नाम उनके काम मेरे ही मानते हैं उनसे किस तरीके से बातचीत नहीं हो पाएगी करेंगे नहीं ये है कि आप इतना 100% मानते हैं After this, our undercover reporter approached an officer of the fingerprinting department. This was on another case where 2 people had been booked by the Kanpur police with 50 packets of smack each. We met B.N. Dwivedi, the FSL fingerprint expert who has 29 years of service in the department. Dwivedi was ready to discuss this case with his fellow officers and also took the guarantee for the money paid.
अच्छा और इसमें एक्सपेंस आपके हिसाब से अप्रोक्सीमेट मतलब जितने भी तक के जो काम हुए होंगे उस हिसाब से आपको क्या अनुमान है कितना खर्चा आ जाएगा करेगा तो वैज्ञानिक जो करेगा जो करता है केस को उससे बात होगी वो जब जो पैसा बताएगा वो आपसे बताया जाएगा अभी हम क्या बता दें तो एक आइडिया है ये कि माध्यम से आप आए हैं जो यदि वैज्ञानिक तैयार हो गया जो पैसा कहेगा और यदि आप देने को तैयार हो गए तो पैसा की आपकी फुल गारंटी मेरी होगी काम होगा पैसा उनका होगा काम नहीं होगा पैसा आपका होगा इतने फुल गारंटी मेरी होगी बस इतने हैं कि इस चीज को लोगों में बांटने वाली
We just stopped short of paying the officers. Our aim is to expose the nexus and not encourage corruption. But these officers are on record claiming that they have fudged several high-profile cases in the past. Pandit Ayush in Lucknow for Headlines Today.